Lesson 3. Grammar. Nouns. What is a noun? Nouns are the names of things. There are two types of nouns. Type number 1. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of places or people. For example, Peru, Pacific Ocean, Mr. M, Batman. Proper nouns always start with capital letters. Type 2. Common nouns. Common nouns are the names of things. For example, singer, smartphone, flower. Common nouns use capital letters only at the beginning of the sentence. Common nouns are also divided in two: countable, uncountable. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are the things you can count. 1 apple, 1 computer, 1 smartphone. These words are called singulars. 5 apples, 2 computers, 3 smartphones. These words are called plurals. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things you cannot count. Rice, water, milk. All these words are singulars. Uncountable nouns have no plural. Here's some practice. Examples in movies.
Peru.
I'm Superman, he's Batman.
My computer,
Bond. James Bond.
Coffee? Apples.
And the apples.
Oh, water, please.
Milk and sugar.